Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone under $300. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Holy Stone. Model number, HS700D. The HS700D comes with its own intelligent flight modes. With its GPS feature, you can set the drone to follow you around hands-free. This is cool for taking selfies, videos and generally impressing people around you. The high-capacity 2800 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 22 minutes flight time. It also has low power alert. You can immerse yourself in a substantial flight. HS700D can always fly back to takeoff point as per your instruction or whenever it runs out of power or loses connection. Even when you accidentally fly it out of range, you can tell the reminding power with ease by the LCD screen on the transmitter. The modular design is easy to charge and replace. Never let low power battery interrupt your flight. The upgraded propellers run more efficiently and powerfully. Number 4, brand name, for DRC. Model number, F4. For DRC Fast F4 GPS brushless drone is made of high-strength industrial plastic, lightweight and durable. The arm is designed to be foldable and easy to carry. GPS-assisted features such as waypoint flight, GPS follow me, point of interest flight allow you to enjoy the creative fun of flight. FlyApp offers comprehensive fun features. You can share your adventure with just one tap. Start a fun adventure. Foldable design along with a carry case makes it a perfect companion for your journey. With their optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoor and outdoor. GPS location and auto return to home free of losing the drone. Number 3, brand name, for DRC. Model number, M1 Pro 2. The new M1 Pro GPS drone is here with a 6-axis gimbal and a dual camera. The quadcopter is equipped with incredible features and it's very portable due to its smaller size. The M1 Pro GPS quadcopter offers a FOV of 120 degrees, which means with the foldable quadcopter, you can capture wide-angle aerial shots with ease. The drone's smaller size allows you to travel with it anywhere. It will enable you to capture memorable aerial ultra-high definition and 1080 pixels HD photos and videos for your diary or vlog. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen, the copter as the give path. One-click operation, you can command the aircraft to take off, land and even return from a distance with just a single click. When summoned back, the drone will come to the original location from where it took off. Gesture recognition, when you make a gesture looking at the drone camera, standing 1 to 3 meters away from it, it will click your picture. The aircraft smartly recognizes the gesture and instantly turns your happy moments into everlasting memories. This amazing quadcopter drones let you share pictures and videos as well. While you can share multiple pictures, one video can be shared at a time. You can also transfer images in real time with the help of Wi-Fi up to a distance of 600 meters. It has a 2-axis anti-shaking self-stabilizing drone camera gimbal, which will make your videos extremely stabilized. Automatically record the starting point position before takeoff, when you need to return home automatically, that is, the intelligent return to home mode is automatically realized, and when the power is less than 25% it will return home automatically when left and right. Number 2. Brand name, Cvnasf. Model number, F13. The arms and tail of the aircraft are equipped with bright lights. Dozens of modes, remote control for remote adjustment. don't get lost while flying at night. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface. The map shows the distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. The noise dropped again and again. The power is continuously upgraded and it is more than 8 times durable than ordinary motors. 3-axis EIS anti-shake gimbal make photo more clear. 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, intelligent 3-dimensional perception detection, forming 360 degrees protection. Number 1. Brand name, Sivnisf. Model number, KF101. The 3-axis EIS anti-shake gimbal brings a double anti-shake effect, easily filtering out the image vibration caused by the outside. The 3 motors on the gimbal are responsible for the rotation of the front and back, left and right, and up and down directions, so that the camera can be kept stable at any time and the shooting picture is clearer. Advanced signal transmission technology allows the image transmission distance to be as high as 500 meters, and the remote control distance is as high as 1000 meters, so that the flight is no longer limited. 5G signal real-time high-definition image transmission is stable. The transmission process is not delayed and the viewing effect is better.